Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the Chota Bheem. Number 1. Chota Bheem is a popular cartoon character. Number 2. He is strong, brave and kind. Number 3. Bheem lives in the village of Dholakpur. Number 4. His friends are Chutki, Raju and Jaggu. Number 5. Princess Indumati is also his friend. Number 6. He loves to eat laddus. Number 7. Laddus give him extra strength. Number 8. Bheem fights bad guys and protects his village. Number 9. Bheem often helps the king of Dholakpur. Number 10. Chota Bheem inspire courage and friendship. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.